attaching the 360 quick connect tines and cleats to all your mounts you already have. Simply drop it on just like you would any other mount. Crank it tight. Put this one in here. You can also use our straight up cleat mount, but if you got that on there, put that on there, you are ready to film with the 360 quick connect system. Mount the camera mount to your GoPro. Our stealth little T-nut is amazing. Now that you've got your GoPro mounted, mount it onto your accessory. Drop it on, lock the lever. Adjust your rotational tension. Turn this dial to make it tight, or go the other way and make it loose. This is really handy so that when you're filming fast moving things, you can pivot the camera to keep up. Use the Cam Perfect marking system to line up your shot. Look here for the notch, look for the dial you want, click it shut. It's exactly the same every time.